With its old-school trams, jokey tour guides, and stops in the studio's backlot at an Old West set and other locations that date back decades, you might think the studio tour would be a nostalgia-filled snoozefest. But you'd be wrong. Nostalgia plays an important role. The trams pass the original Psycho house and a cheesy reenactment of a shark attack from Jaws, for example. But the tour offers a great balance of old and contemporary properties such as Jurassic World and the War of the Worlds remake. It also offers a mix of real Hollywood movie making interspersed with immersive attractions. Passengers pass real sound stages with movies and shows that are in production. They also experience an earthquake, flash flood, and more through impressive effects and theme park trickery. The long tour, it can last as long as an hour, is thoroughly entertaining and enlightening. It dates back to the park's opening in the mid-1960s and remains its heart and soul. Unlike other movie theme parks, Universal Studios Hollywood is a real, working film studio with a storied history, and the studio tour offers a great way to tap into its authenticity.